after 2 months of waiting, it is here. It is finally here. It is finally here. The god of all R154s, man. Just get open. Oh my lord. Hopefully this is one that's actually important. Actually, let me find a heavy one. Okay, this one's probably one that's important. Okay, that's not the one important. Okay, this one feels like it's important. Six weeks of waiting. Where you at? Oh my lord, that's not the one either. We'll find it. No, this one feels like it is. Third time's a charm. Dang it! Still not... Oh, I guess close enough. You guys already know what it is. If you guys are aware of things. Alright, here we go. This is first gear, I am assuming. Obviously. This is the god of R154s. This is the Pgs R154 Dogbox gear set, which I will be assembling and making a full video on that, so you guys can obviously follow if you're into that. It would be wise to you know, follow this, because yeah, these are the selector rings. They do some braking sounds into the back of the gears. Alright, so you guys can see that it is pretty well boxed up. I'm going to unbox it completely and set it out on the table, and then I'll come back with you guys in a second. Okay, so here it is, all laid out. It's quite a bit that you get. I paid like $4,500 plus shipping. I paid like $500 in shipping, but I had to pay some fees and stuff like that. But it took about 6 weeks to get finished, and then it got stuck in France for a week because of coronavirus. But I would say that it's completely worth it. I'm gonna go out and grab some stock gears, and I will show you guys the difference. You guys can see that this is still helical, but it's not like it's somewhere between helical and straight cut. So this gear set still does whine, but it's a lot quieter. It is very streetable as well, from what I was told and what I've seen. So I'm gonna go snag some stock gears, and I will show you guys the difference. Okay, so I went out and grabbed my stalker. Alright. Let me just go ahead and show you. Let me put this glove on real quick. Here, have a close-up of the counter shaft. Alright. So here you go. Here is the stock one compared to the dog box setup. Now you can see, like right off the bat, the gears are literally enormous. Like, they are far bigger all the way around. I mean, it's a no-brainer right here, you know. You can tell this one's more helical. There's way more teeth here. These teeth are freaking huge. You can see the strength that this gear set will have over this one, and the fact that they're much larger. So this gear set, the non-HD version, which they had switched over to the HD version a while ago, is good for 1500 plus, and the HD version is good for more than that. There are some revised parts and stuff like that that were just created, obviously. I'm not going to be nice to this thing. When it goes into the car, I'm turning it all the way up. So the next thing that'll break on my car, hopefully, would be my bottom end. Just go ahead and throw this guy back in here and clean that up before my wife gets mad. So everything that we have in here, there's going to be some leftover parts that you guys are going to use on your old R154. On your old R154. Now I do have a video in my videos you guys can search down below. It's not that long ago of a full disassembly of the stock R154. They do make these for the tripod R154 as well. Just got to make sure that you contact him, let him know what it is. The wait time sucks, but it's so worth it in the end. And I mean, now that it's here, I forgot that I even waited. So things you're going to want to keep. You don't have to keep the stock shift forks or the stock bolts. Keep the selector rods, and keep obviously the stuff that I showed you right in here is going to be the stuff that you will be able to get rid of. One of the things that I did was went to a website and I ordered every single clip, every single ball bearing that is in the engine, or in every single ball bearing that's in the trans. I did not order springs because I made sure I kept those, but these ball bearings, I freaking lost a couple, or thought I did, and just decided why not just order some new ones. So all these parts are billet, they're all heat treated, and yeah, they're completely ready to go. I mean, it's $4,000 plus for a reason. So you'll want to keep your output shaft. This is completely disassembled. It'll look just like this. I do have a video on it. You guys can see. You got to keep this because a lot of these parts slide right on it. But yes, I wanted to do a quick little unboxing video for you guys because I'm so excited about this. I've been waiting for a while, and since my stock R154 broke, I have decided that I wanted to do this, and I was planning on doing it for a long time. But when it broke, I just decided I'm just going to go ahead and wing it, because when that transmission broke at 34 pounds, there's no way I was just going to get a new one or replace the thrust washer, because it just would have happened again. There are no videos on this transmission at all, which is another thing. Hopefully the channel will grow a lot faster and the family will grow with different content. You know, a lot of people are looking for this kind of thing. And I don't know that I would completely recommend it yet, but just by looking at it, I mean, you can tell, man, it's literally, obviously, clearly stronger. I mean, it's so much better made. I mean, it's so simple. The assembly is just so simple. There's no synchronizers, no locking rings, no selector synchronizer things or whatever they are. I don't really care. It's a freaking dog box, man. I mean, I'm gonna get it assembled. I'm gonna get in the car. It's all gonna be filmed, of course, and we are going to learn this together. Now, yeah. I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, the little notification bell, so you guys can keep up to date with all of my new videos and be notified when I upload. You guys comment down below and let me know what you think about what I decided to do. I know a lot of you guys were making guesses. Some of you guys were close, but no, it is not a marlin crawler. In fact, it is way different than a marlin crawler. This is a legitimate, fully built R154, the god of R154 transmissions, a freaking dog box. Does not get much better than this with the R154, and that is another reason why I just decided not to go T56. Why spend that money for a T56 when I can shift gears without the clutch? But yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.